Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is vectors. Now discuss about, now here this one questions from career point quota material. Okay, now here if we three non-zero vectors a bar, b bar, c bar are such that a bar cross b bar equal to 2 into a bar cross c bar, mod a bar mod c bar equal to 1, mod b bar equal to 4, and the angle between b bar and c bar is cos inverse 1 by 4. Then b bar minus 2c bar equal to lambda a bar, where lambda equal to, okay, now here a bar cross b bar is equal to 2 into a bar cross c bar. Okay, now a bar cross b bar minus 2 into a bar cross c bar is equal to 0. Okay, now a bar cross b bar minus 2c bar. Okay, a bar cross b bar minus 2c bar is equal to 0. A bar cross b bar minus 2 into a bar cross c bar is equal to 0. Okay, now here a cross b is equal to 0 means a bar cross b bar is equal to 0 bar means a bar parallel b bar, a bar parallel b bar. Now parallel b bar means a bar is equal to lambda into b bar. Now here a bar parallel b bar minus 2c bar. Now b bar minus 2c bar parallel to a bar. Now b bar minus 2c bar parallel to a bar. Now b bar minus 2c bar is equal to lambda into a bar. Lambda into a bar. Okay, now here squaring on both sides, taking modulus and squaring on both sides. Mod b bar minus 2c bar is equal to lambda into mod a bar. Now here, okay, now squaring on both sides means lambda square mod a square. Okay, now mod b bar square plus 4 into mod c bar square minus 4 into b bar dot c bar is equal to lambda square into mod a bar square. Mod a bar value is 1, okay, into 1 square. Mod b bar value 16, mod b bar value is 4, 16 plus 4 into mod c bar value is 1 given. Now 4 into 1 minus 4 into mod b bar mod c bar cos b bar comma c bar is equal to lambda square into 1. Okay, now 20 minus 4 into mod b bar 4 into 16 into cos of cos inverse 1 by 4 is equal to lambda square. Now 20 minus 16 into 1 by 4 cos inverse of cos theta theta. Now here angle between b bar and c bar is cos inverse 1 by 4, okay, is equal to lambda square. Okay, now 16 is equal to lambda square. Lambda is equal to plus or minus 4. Lambda equal to plus or minus 4. Okay, now find the value of lambda means lambda equal to plus or minus 4. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one, if a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar are given, the value of d bar dot a bar cross, b bar cross, c bar cross, d bar equal to. Okay, now here given d bar dot a bar cross, b bar cross, c bar cross, d bar. Okay, now let C bar cross D bar equal to, let C bar cross D bar equal to P bar. Okay, now D bar dot A bar cross B bar cross C bar, B bar cross P bar, B bar cross P bar. Okay, now we know that formula A bar cross B bar cross C bar equal A bar cross B bar cross C bar equal to A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar, A bar dot B bar into C bar. Okay, now according to formula, this one expand D bar dot A bar dot P bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into P bar. Okay, now P bar value C bar cross D bar. Okay, now D bar dot A bar dot C bar cross D bar, C bar cross D bar into B bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into P bar, A bar dot B bar into P bar. Okay, now A dot C cross D means A bar dot B cross C, A bar dot B bar cross C bar equals to box A bar B bar C bar. Okay, now D bar dot box A bar C bar D bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar cross D bar, C bar cross D bar. Okay, now dot product with D bar. Now box A bar C bar D bar into D bar dot to B bar minus, okay, D bar dot C bar cross C D bar, D bar dot, now D bar dot C bar cross D bar equal D bar dot C bar cross D bar equal to box D bar C bar D bar. Okay, now box D bar C bar D bar value is equal to 0. Okay, now here A bar dot B bar into A bar dot B bar into D bar dot C bar cross D bar, D bar dot C bar cross D bar means box D bar C bar D bar, box D bar C bar D bar. Okay, now this value is 0, okay, is equal to box A bar C bar D bar into D bar dot B bar minus 0 is equal to box A bar C bar D bar into D bar dot to B bar. Okay, this value box A bar C bar D bar into D bar dot B bar. Okay, now find first box A bar C bar D bar. Box A bar C bar D bar equal to det of A bar value 5 minus 1 1, 5 minus 1 1, minus 3 1 1, minus 3 1 1. Now d bar value 0 to 1, 0 to 1, that of. Okay, now 5 into 1 minus 2 plus 1 into minus 3 minus 0 plus 1 into minus 6 minus 0. Okay, now 5 into minus 1, 1 into minus 3, 1 into minus 6, minus 5 minus 3 minus 6, minus 14. And also d bar dot b bar equal to d bar value 2i bar plus j bar dot b bar value 2i bar minus 3j bar minus k bar. Okay, now 2i bar, okay, d bar value 2j bar, d bar value 2j bar plus k bar, 2j bar plus k bar dot b bar value 2i bar minus 3j bar minus k bar minus 6 minus 1. Now this value is minus 7. Okay, now box A bar, C bar, D bar into D bar dot B bar is equal to minus 14 into minus 7 is equal to 98. Therefore, option 3 is the correct one. Option 3 is the